kiss for you.
Hello friends, today we discuss about drilling operation and we see some important features of drilling operation in mining industry like drilling's methods and its application in mining industry and etc. So now you see drilling. The one questions is arise in your minds. Okay, what is drilling? So we simply say that drilling it is a cutting process that use drill bit to cut the hole in circular cross section in solid materials. In industrial and mining purpose, drilling also referred as a boring process. Drilling is used to obtain a very detailed information about rock types, mineral content, rock fabric and the relationship between the rock layers close to surface and at the depth. Drilling is only used in the area that have been selected as a targets from the geological and geophysical and geochemical methods. In previous slide we see what is a drilling and now we see the drilling methods. They are the main two types drilling methods are used in the mining industry. The first one is a percussive drilling and second one is a rotary drilling. And two subtypes of the percussive drilling. First one is a drilling by rigid rods and second one is rope drilling or cable drilling or churn drilling. In the rotary drilling there are four types. First one is the drilling by sawtooth cutters, drilling by tricone roller bits and drilling by diamond drill bit. And third one is not important but it is a necessary for the combinations of the percussive and rotary drilling. They are used as the third drilling types. And now we see what is a percussive drilling. In this method, which is oldest one of drilling, the hole is drilled by striking a number at a shot in intervals on the rock by chisel type tools. Between the blows, the tools it is rotated by slightly. In the percussive drilling, the tool every time hammering a new surface and also maintain a circular shape of hole. And further, in percussive drilling method, the first method of the percussive drilling method is drilling by rigid rods. In drilling by rigid rods, the rods are formed by nickel, chromium or carbon steels. Each rod has a male screw at one end, a female screw at the other. The steel rods are usually in the length of 3 meters with nearly 38 mm to 38 mm square cross section. Drilling tools used varies greatly in the shape and cutting edge according to the type of ground penetrate. Now we see drilling by rope drilling or churn drilling or cable drilling. Where the percussive drilling is employed, cable drilling is commonly adopted for the holes deeper than 30 meters. In this system, the rigid rods are replaced by steel wire rope to which the drilling tool is attached. During the rope drilling, no device is necessary to give a twist to the drilling tool between the successive blows as the lays of the standard ropes causes the tool to twist slightly. Previously, we see the percussive drilling and it is type. Now we see the second main types of drilling methods, and this is a rotary drilling. For rotary drilling, hollow drill rods of steel or aluminum are used. These are thread connected and transmit torque and feed pressure to the drilling bit or drilling tools, which is attached the end of a column of drill rods. As rods rotate, drilling bit break the rock and cutting are cleared by pumping water under the pressure or compressed air down the hole through hole drill rods. Blast hole size rotary machines varies in the size range of 100 mm to 445 mm diameter, with of most common size being to 200 mm to 50 mm and 311 mm and 381 mm in diameter. The first subtype of rotary drilling, and that is the diamond drilling. The method is commonly adopted where the cores of the rock passed through are designed for accurate records of the strata or for testing the rock for strength, composition, porosity, and etc. The hole size in diamond drilling are designated as NX, BX, AX, and EX. The diamond drill bits is rotated at a speed of nearly 300 rpm and the pressure on diamonds is between 1.5 to 2 kg force per centimeter square. The pressure acting on diamonds of the drill bit and the rate of advance of the drill bit into the rock controlled by an arrangement known as feed mechanism. They are so the design or the structure or the arrangement of the rotary drilling. In rotary drilling, the power units is give the electric charge to Kelly and Swile assembly to rotate Kelly bar, and the main function of the Kelly bar is taking the sample of the mineral at the depth of the seam. And there as you see, the power unit and vacuum tank are as assembled together. Vacuum tank is give the vacuum to taking a sample for Kelly bar, and the pump are used for the clean the Kelly bar and to give the discharge of the mud of samples. And there are many associate sections like discharge piping, drawwork assembly, and vacuum priming pump. There is a second subtype of rotary drilling is saw-toothed cutter. In second type of rotary drilling, the drilling tool is a saw-toothed cutter. The teeth are set alternately inward and outward to give the necessary clearance. The speed of the rotation is 5 to 10 rpm. The drill bits are suitable only for drilling for the through the rocks of medium hardness. Only holes of diameters not less than 150 mm are possible. Rock roller bit is the third subtype of rotary drilling. These are suitable for hole diameter between 75 mm to 300 mm. In mining areas, there are commonly drilling for large diameter hole in mechanized quarry. Flushing of the hole with the compressed air instead of by water under pressure is the common practice with this type of bit. There is last but not least method of rotary drilling is called chilled steel shot drilling. In this method, the shots are prepared by heating very finely and divided steel particles to a very high temperature, then suddenly cooling in the ice cold water. Chilled shots are used in the conjunction with the plain steel shell or cylinder with the diagonal slot near the bottom. This method is suitable for the vertical and large diameter holes of 100 mm to 750 mm. It's called Kleist drilling but is not much favored these days as diamond drilling bits have gained wide popularity and are available large diameter up to 250 mm. Rotary and percussive drilling is the third main type of drilling operation. In this method of drilling, combination of function of rotary and percussive are used. In this method, hammering and rotating action are performed by drilling machine. This method is one prime advantage is used in every type of rock hardness and it is operation. Thank you for watching my video. If you like our video, please subscribe YouTube channel and visit my website miningstudents.blogspot.com.